Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This gets you where Regional Options live. Once the Settings page appears, type Language into the search box to surface language and region controls immediately. Make sure you are signed into Chrome if you want the change to sync across devices, because local-only changes behave differently. If you see a profile without sync, enable sync or note that later steps will only apply to this device. Next, focus on language order and display. Drag your preferred language to the top so Chrome prioritizes it for UI and websites. Once done, click the three-dot menu beside the language and choose Display Chrome in this language if available, then relaunch when prompted. For regional content beyond language, make sure to check Advanced Settings. Site settings, spell check, and content languages can affect localized search and suggestions. These combined changes steer Chrome toward the country behavior you need. Finally, relaunch Chrome and verify the UI and site behavior reflect your new settings. Test by visiting a country-specific site. If websites still show the old country, clear cookies and site data because cached geolocation often persists. If that fails, make sure your IP location matches the target country. Use a reputable VPN. Also check your Google account country in account settings, since personalization can override browser settings. If problems continue, disable extensions, then...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.